What's up YouTube, it's Lil T with Techaholics, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this Superman wallpaper and wallpapers like it. So let's get it in.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel.
Alright, so you're going to need a couple apps, but I'll put all the links to the apps in the description. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go over to the App Store. Mine's right here. And you want to look up an app called Nova. Go ahead and okay. We're not going to open it right now, actually. So what you want to do is you want to look up these apps too. Yellow icons. I went with this one, the MNML yellow icon pack. And then you want to look up blue icons. I went ahead and went with this, the stamp blue. And one more. I want to look up red. Oop, didn't delete that. Red. Yep, red icon pack. And you want to do the stamp red. So after that, you want to go ahead and you want to download 3D wallpaper. And it should be the second one or third one down. It should say 3D wallpaper parallax 2018. It won't be this one. It would be this one right here. So whenever you have all those apps downloaded, you want to go ahead and you want to open up Nova. It'll look like this. Go to next. I like the dark theme, so I'll go ahead and do dark. Go to next. Go to immerse. Next. You want the button, so apply. Alright. So it's going to look like this whenever you get finished, but as soon as you click on it, you'll see it change. So from here, you want to go ahead and you want to go on the App Store and you want to look up the Nova settings. And you'll see how it says, not set as default, Nova launcher. Yep, so you'll see that and you'll go down. And you want to look for select default home, select the Nova launcher, and then go to OK. Whenever you do that, no matter where you're at, whatever app that you're in, as soon as you exit, it's going to be the Nova launcher. So whenever you get to this, we're going to go ahead and we're going to customize it. Go ahead and remove this. I like it because then it gives me more screen space and more apps on my screen. So let's go ahead and let's drag this up. Oh. Go ahead and drag this up. I mean, you could do this with whatever app that you want to, but this is just for display purposes. Go up and go up. Alright. So let's see, I think, yeah, okay. So we're going to remove this. And remove this. Oh, oh my bad. Sorry. So hard to do it through a phone. Yep, there we go. Alright, so then you have no other screens. Alright. So this is where the fun kicks in. So what you want to do is you want to find your 3D wallpaper. And select it, whichever one that you would like. You actually don't have to use the Superman one, but this is just for purposes. So whenever you actually find it, let me find it and I'll show you how to get it to work. Okay, it's right here. So you just click on the picture and you'll get these settings at the bottom, or these toggles or whatever you want to call them. So you see settings, which you don't want to mess with that, but you want to go to set as wallpaper. And actually, if you want to set it as a home screen or home screen and lock screen, do both. Once whenever you're done with that, it'll be set. So once whenever that's set, you want to go ahead and start editing these applications that you have as your front screen. So, well, these I don't like at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and change that real quick, and then I'll come right back. Alright, I went ahead and I changed it. So what you want to do on the apps is you want to go ahead and you want to hold them down, go to edit, click on the icon, and you'll get prompted to this, and whatever icons that you downloaded, you can be able to go ahead and change it to that icon. So if you want to do a custom icon, you can do that through gallery, or if you want to do like what ones that we downloaded, you can go ahead and you could do that. So we'll do yellow as first, and it'll give you a default one, but you could just change it. You can find it in the apps or in the icon selections and then change it. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this one blue. Okay, so since that I didn't find it, I just go down to where it says M, because you'll see the little ABCD. Go to T, see if it's in text. So you can pretty much set it to whatever you want. Okay, there it is. Right here. Oh, I'm covering it, my bad. So we'll go ahead and we'll use that one. And then we'll change the Play Store to red. And then you just repeat the process, of course, for every app. Yeah, I know that takes a little while, but you can, do that however you want just to customize it. We'll do this one yellow. So as a default one for it, just click that. Alright, go to done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change these up real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and I changed them. So as you can tell, it looks a lot better. It looks more towards like the Superman color. But you're probably wondering, how do you change the icon dock, or the icon, the apps dock? So what you want to do with that is you want to go ahead and you want to click on it, go to edit, and you'll see this little moon at the bottom. Click that, go to drawer icon, close it or turn it off, and then you could go ahead and you can change it to whatever you would like. So what I did is I changed it to the Superman logo. So we go ahead and go to Chrome, and I'll put the link to this in the description too, just so it's easy access. So you want to look up Superman Shield PNG. See if it's the first one. Nope. All right. So you'll get that. So you just look up whichever one. Nope, that one's not a PNG. So we'll go to images. This one should be, I believe. Nope. All right. All right, so let me see. I think this one is. Yeah, all right. So this one's the PNG file. So you just hold on it, and you'll get these options. Go to download image. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to re-download it. So whenever you have that one downloaded, you want to go ahead and click on it like this. Edit. And then go to the gallery apps. Go to your gallery. Downloads right here, and this is where it gets a little tricky. So you got to click on this icon right here and then go to the far end one. I know it looks smaller than the big one, but it actually is the one that you need. So you'll just level it the way that you need it. So I got the full icon right there. Try to center. Okay, there we go. Go to done. You'll see how it changed. Go to done. And there you go. You got your Superman logo right there. Or you could put any logo that you want to. So now whenever you go into it, you'll see that it's dark like this. And if you don't want it dark like that, you can go ahead and change that also. So just go into Nova settings, go where it says look and feel. I believe that's in look and feel. No, it actually is not. Yes, apps and widget drawer. Okay, so you see where it says background right here. What you want to do with that is all the way at the bottom, you'll see where it says transparency. You want to change that to 100%. Now you just back out, or just go to home. Just go to home, and then now whenever you click into it, you have your Superman logo as your background on your apps. So this application has a lot of customization, but this is just for just making it look like that. So I'll go ahead and I'll change it up a couple more times to match the background, just to show y'all what you can do and how it's unlimited or whatever the case may be. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, YouTube, so as you can tell, there's a bunch of possibilities that you could be able to, change the background to with this 3D effect, and it looks really nice too on the display on the S9 Plus and on the Galaxy S8. So if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.